What does a typical day in EHS look like? Environmental health and safety professionals are responsible for protecting the health and safety of employee sites and the surrounding environment, meaning that on any given day, this could entail maintaining compliance, managing workplace incidents, new contractors and employee training, all before lunch. Managing dozens of programs on paper or with Excel can be overwhelming, time-consuming, and even ineffective. Benchmark software is designed with you in mind, offering innovative software solutions tailor-fit to your company's needs, regardless of industry size or geographic location. Walk through a day of EHS management supported by Benchmark ESG. It's 5 a.m. It's a little bit early to be heading into the plant, but you need to evaluate a new manufacturing unit. Third shift employees have complained about minor injuries and shoulder pain due to new equipment. You assess the ergonomic problem, log it into the Ergo Facilitator, and make a note to escalate the issue to be corrected and examined. A new paint booth has recently been installed as there will be a different kind of paint in the new system. You make a note to review the Safety Data Sheet, or SDS. You pull out your tablet to do a quick search to pull up the SDS and make a note to confirm that the new booth is in AirLog and that you've updated the inspection requirements in Compliance Calendar. The plant manager wants to talk to you about the recent increase in hand injuries and wants to know the core task activities and other data trends so that prevention actions can happen. You check on your Safety Analyzer application and see that the recent equipment changes did not go through the Management of Change or MOC process. You add MOC training to the engineer's training tracker requirements and assign them responsibility in the MOC Manager tool. You continue on your rounds, but you're caught off guard by a surprise inspection by the local regulatory authority. Luckily, you've been using Compliance Calendar to keep track of compliance needs and logging all quarterly reports in Water Wash where everything's under control. You check your watch, time for lunch. To learn more about Benchmark EHS solutions for your company, visit www.benchmarkdigital.com.